I just finished watching the movie, The Stanford Prison Experiment, on Netflix. Um, my friend recommended it to me. She said it was really good, and she said I think you'll like it because it's real and stuff. And it's based on a true story. It's weird. This is the first movie that I've watched in a long time that's based on a true story and has no supernatural or no, I don't know, unusual imagination. It's real, no fictional stuff. I'm sure they took liberties with it, but it was realistic in that I think people would really behave that way. It's a good movie. It's a psychological trip, really. The basis of the experiment is this guy in 1971, probably been planning it for a couple years. He decided to experiment in Stanford. He was a doctor of psychology, so he was a professor. And over the summer, he they converted 3 offices. Yeah, really, they 3 offices into prison cells. They put bars on the door. They took out all the furniture. And in the hallway, they converted it into the yard. That, and he took 18 young men, boys, college kids, and they interviewed them first, make sure there was nothing abnormal about them. I guess I don't know exactly what that showed, except for they weren't suicidal, or I guess he wanted to make sure they wouldn't break too easily. I don't know. And then they pretty much just flipped a coin, and half of them became guards and half of them became prisoners. And they put the guards in uniforms and dark sunglasses. And they put the prisoners in, they called them dresses, but they're like guinea sacks. They were just plain, straight dresses, and with numbers. And instead of using names, they used numbers. And okay, so it was an experiment in psychology to see how much people would change or whatever. It was set up for 2 weeks. That's pretty much all I'll say. It's a good movie. It's worth watching. I'm really exhausted. So I was about to pause in the middle, but I know that with me, if I pause a movie and go to bed, I probably won't finish it, or I might finish it a little later, or I really wanted to see where this was going, and I was kind of say pleasantly surprised, but it's not pleasant. It's not a good feeling, but it's just like, now I know, and knowing is half the battle. I would say that knowing is half the battle. It's worth knowing. It's worth knowing something, because I'd rather know than not know. I guess I like the truth. The truth often hurts.